Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update Retool authentication using Google OAuth step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Retool account. Navigate to the settings section on the left sidebar. Scroll down to authentication and select it. Click on the Add Authentication button. Choose Google from the list of authentication methods. You will be prompted to enter your Google client ID and client secret. To obtain these credentials, go to the Google Cloud Console. Create a new project or select an existing one. In the left sidebar, navigate to Credentials. Click on Create Credentials and select OAuth 2.0 Client IDs. Set the application type to Web Application. Add your authorized redirect URIs for Retool. Copy the generated client ID and client secret. Return to your Retool account and paste the client ID and client secret in the respective fields. Optionally, you can choose the scopes for data access. Click the Save button to update your authentication settings. Now, go to your app where you want to enable Google Authentication. Open the App Settings menu. Under Authentication, select the newly added Google Authentication method. Test the authentication by clicking the Login with Google button. Make sure the login process works smoothly. Check the user access and permissions as needed. You're all set with the updated Google OAuth authentication in Retool. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.